That's just a boy. OG, yeah, where I love love. I put up I thought to my new boy I thought I was in the right business. I was keeping the secret, but this is my new boy right here. I brought a couple of days ago. I still working on it. I still working on both of them. Yeah. How much that thing, man? How much is that, bro? 200, yeah, but I believe 200 more. $200 more. Two people there. 30 people there. Only 12 people there. 5 people there. There's only 25 people there. Oh, I thought about how fast this motherfucker is. I thought about how fast this motherfucker is for real, bro. Go back. I'm gonna do that one race. You know why I'm doing that one race? It doesn't have to, it doesn't have my baptism back there. I do not because it doesn't have my baptism. I did so good money from this right there. Yeah. Okay, I'll put that right there. Yeah. My bad, Oh my god damn it. My bad ain't there today, bruh. Damn motherfucking bitches. God damn, something wrong with this motherfucking crap today. Oh hell yeah, motherfucker. It's out of here now. Oh hell yeah, it's out of here now, bitch ass motherfucker. Fuck! I heard the goddamn three. Pussies. I heard the goddamn three. Fuck! Oh, this one I'm on. Man, how the hell he doesn't have my box? That's the style right there. Oh, he does. He only has one fucking box. He have enough money, you know. Looking for. And that money in the 500. You could do a damn bill to write a new bill to for 500 for for 115. You can do a new bill to 500. What the the fuck is that shit? This man was stupid. I don't know why I'm thinking without. This motherfucker have to be on something. With the thing over there, the thing didn't run off. And I have to look up my top screen to try to throw out the, put out the roof and see if then try to put that out in the funky thing to do that. Alright, but it's $1,000. I'll be paying $1,000 the damn dies in the truck. Hold on, fucking bitch. Hold on, damn it. Fuck. Damn, mother three. Damn it, dude. Hey, 50? Oh, hell yeah. I just fuck out this motherfucker. You motherfucker, alright. I shit you that one. Hey, bitch, get the fuck out the way, bitch. Oh, hell yeah. It's a damn auto truck. Fuck. Yeah. Fuck. God damn it, bro. Fuck, out of the thing, the three are good. Fuck. Might go mud one. There's that mud right there. But, oh, God. There's mud one in the motherfucker. Come on. Trying to get on the other side of the goddamn front mud. I made it. Damn. Yeah. I just put through the full out damn money. I just wanted our damn money, bro. Come on, baby, come on. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, damn. Ping pong. Nosotros aparte va a tratar andar de man trata manutu pero it's right there. Right, right, yup. People chapter that and subscribe to my channel. That will help me a lot. Thank you.